Good afternoon. I think the last discussion that I make has no video. But anyway, the audio is working. So I guess I don't have to edit it. Kinangalimutan ko pag open na akong video. But anyway, kura na pag no edit para malaksi. So we have a problem solving. So forces and interactions. Two forces of the same magnitude F. What is the angle between the two forces if their sum has magnitude 2F, square root of F, square root of 2F, and then the next one is 0. So the angle in between. So our problem is the angle between two vectors. So maybe we can draw two vectors. Um, we can draw two vectors. So karon tanan lang ito nga da. They are both F. So iba ang tala both F. Para matira magnitude. Diba? Kaya lang adi may angle nga let's say that is alpha. Adi may angle nga beta. So their angle in between is what? The angle in between, this one is 90 minus beta. This one is 90 minus alpha. So, ibig sabihin, the angle in between is, let's say, this is theta. Inabugos ini. So, that theta is equal to 90 minus beta plus 90 minus alpha. Okay, and then we have 180 minus beta minus alpha. You have that relationship there. Actually, bisan dito sa sulbon, maaram kita nga answer ini is para maging 2F is dapat pareho ra nga lugar. Meaning, the angle in between them is 0. Kaya lang natin ini, paano ito prove? Di ba? Imagine na niyo, paano magkakamaya dahil ani mo kusog pareho magiging duha nga pareho matira ka kusog. Di igbot ang muira pareho nga position. Eh ba? But anyway, we have to prove this mathematically. So, paano man? The summations of F is equal to 2F. So, what is summations of F? So, actually, karasingon nito niya, may dani mo, the summations of F is equal to the square root of Rx. Rx squared plus, or Fx squared. Pwede tayo ni Fx, Fx ta. Summations on the X is squared plus summations on the Fx squared plus summations of the Fy squared. Diba ang matuti mo summations of Fx or summations of F. The summations of F is equal to the square root of Fx squared, F summations of Fx squared plus summations of Fy squared. Kaya lang, ano mo, summations of F, nagsaring na hiya nga 2F. Okay? Sa meaning, may dakita hadi nga problem, summations of Fx. So, ano kita summations of Fx? So, summations of Fx is equal now to, i-resolve tayo ni. So, you have F, unahon tayo beta kay positive, F cosine beta, and then you have a minus F, cosine alpha. Okay? So, we have F, cosine beta minus cosine alpha for the summations of Fx. How about summations of Fy? Summations of Fy is equal to, pareho ra going down. So, pareho ako maging negative. Summations of Fy is negative F sine beta. Actually, bisan anong angle timibutang ha. Mapareho lagapin niya. F sine beta minus F sine alpha. Pareho ra negative because that is both going down. Or you can say negative F and then sine beta minus sine alpha. So that is your summations of Fy. So we plug it here with respect to 2F. So masaring kita 2F. So tanggalan tan square root, of course, ma-square din eh. Okay? And then you have summations of fx, which is f cosine beta minus cosine alpha. And then, ma-minus kita, plus. So, takay kay minus man ang aton fy, pero naka-squared pa ini. Diba? Kay fx man lang ini. So, naka-squared. And then we have minus, tanggalon ta anay minus, ig plus tala anay, tapos ig negative f, and then sine beta minus, ay plus na ini. Kaya gawas ko ng negative, okay? You have plus sine alpha. So, adi minus, adi plus. Naka-squared adi. And then we'll try to squared. You have f squared. Adi, that would be 4f squared. Diba? And then you have cosine beta, cosine alpha. So, magiging cosine. Wala akong kita yung board. Uy, kita yung mingita akong board. So, wala akong kita ng board yun eh. So, f cosine squared beta. Tapos, minus 2 cosine beta cosine alpha. Tapos, ma-plus. Diba? Ma-positive kay gi-squared naman niya. So, cosine alpha, that would be a cosine squared alpha. Okay, didiliwat. So, plus, ano mo, negative f, gini-squared. So, that would be an f squared. Okay, tapos, inilat naka-squared. So, you have sine squared beta, and then plus 2 sine beta sine alpha, and then plus sine squared alpha. Okay. By this, we can factor out the f squared. So, that would be f squared is, pwede na natin, urusahon. That is cosine squared beta minus 2 cosine beta cosine alpha, alpha plus cosine squared alpha plus sine squared beta plus 2 sine beta sine alpha, and then plus sine squared alpha. So, makikita natin yung makakancel natin di iton f squared. And you will be faced with 4 is equal to, urusan nera, pwede ko ini ang cosine beta, cosine alpha, sine beta, sine alpha. Adi man mga squared. Cosine squared beta ngan sine squared beta is equal to 1. Ini. Kay pareho man niran angle. So, may dani mo 1, ini nga duduha, ade. Ngan may dani mo adi. Cosine alpha ngan sine squared alpha, which is another 1. Okay? Tapos, minus, may dani mo 2 cosine beta. So, pwede ko tira igsulod 2, tapos negative 2. I would first have the cosine beta cosine alpha. Tayo negative man naging gawas, di ma minus iniya. Adi nga sine beta sine alpha. Kita niyo? And this would equal to 2 minus 2. Kaya lang ini, this is cos cosine sin. Sin cos cosine is kanang cosine, cos cosine sin is kanang sine. So, pwede mo niya ig-angle. Ano, may I get my my sum and difference formulas? Ito, ready ako with my formulas. Ready pa. Kaya diretso ako mag-solve. So, iniya nga formula that is cosine. Cos, cosine, sin. That is cosine alpha plus beta. Ito na negative. So, this one would be cosine, kay beta man ang nauna. So, cosine beta plus cosine beta plus alpha. Cosine beta plus alpha. This is the sum and difference of your angle. So, pwede ako maggawas 2 minus 2. That would be 2. And then you have 1 minus cosine beta plus alpha. Okay? And then equal to 4. So, cancel ako dito. 2 na rat masasalin. So, I have 2 is equal to 1 minus cosine beta plus alpha. Okay? And then, I have mabaliktad. Cosine beta plus alpha is equal to 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So, beta plus alpha is equal to r cosine of negative 1. So, r cosine of negative 1 is how much? Negative. R cosine of negative 1 is 180. So, beta and alpha is equal to 180 degrees. Beta and alpha. So, you can establish the theta now is equal to 180 minus, so kung bulagon tayo, that is 180 minus beta plus alpha. Nga naka-enclose. Diba? Mga negative. So, that would be 180 minus 180 and that would equal 0 degrees. So, wari pa man kita mag-solve. Actually, may na kita idea nga dapat talaga 0 ito iya. Meaning, wala hira angle in between. Aadi hira nga duha. Kumbaga. And that will give you a 2F. But anyway, that's how the problem goes. So, pinangatawanan ni sir. Okay? Thank you guys for listening. So, again, ang topic ini is summations of forces. So, yung papakilala niya at forces. Diba? Summations of forces is equal to something. So, mga taglatian mga problem. Okay, thank you guys for listening.